Few watercraft offer more unadulterated fun than personal watercraft, and the makers of PWC now make these vessels easier to drive and more maneuverable. For instance, Yamaha's introduction of Ride adds steering and decelerating power operators can employ to avoid unexpected obstacles. Ride and Sea-Doo's IBR help decelerate the vessel, assisting in making safer, evasive maneuvers. But there are still lots of ways the, let's say, uninitiated driver can get into trouble. Like hot dogging around. Because PWC are so maneuverable, some operators lose their head and fail to maintain a lookout. So look where you're going. Failure to look both ways before making a turn is a common cause of serious accidents. Some watercraft have no steering when you release the throttle trigger because it's the thrust of the jet pump that turns the boat. Oh no! A dangerous obstacle has crept up into my path. I must stop or risk a dangerous collision. Remember, you need power to avoid an obstacle. Release the throttle completely and your PWC will continue on in the same direction. Following another vessel directly in its path or allowing yourself to be followed is another ticket to entry. These kind of accidents can be far more serious than you could ever imagine, with devastating results. To be as safe as you can, know your vessel and how it works. Practice avoidance maneuvers in a safe place until your response is instinctive. Wear a life jacket, of course, and never forget to wear your cutoff safety link. Boating safety is no laughing matter. Take your fun seriously. I'm Todd Vercercelli, National Slalom Tournament record holder.
Life is so good.